Today we're going to show you how to load media into a Honeywell PM45. The PM45 can print on labels, tickets, tags and continuous stock, and the procedure you use to load the media depends on how you are operating the printer and which stock you're using. Today we'll show you how to set the printer up for thermal transfer. To start with, simply open the media cover to expose the inner workings of the printer. Next, turn the print head lever counterclockwise to raise the print head. Load the media roll onto the media supply hub and adjust the media hub alignment. Route the media through the print mechanism and ensure the alignment bar is set correctly. Adjust the label gap and black mark sensor by turning the sensor adjustment knob. This moves the gap sensor back and forward, so as long as you're within the label, you're fine. Take your ribbon and slide it onto the ribbon supply spindle. Pull the ribbon down and put it underneath the print head, pulling sufficiently through the front. Now close the print head. Take the ribbon over the top of the return bar and slide the ribbon through the crevice on the take-up spindle. Now turn the spindle and pick up the slack. You can open the head at this point and put some extra ribbon through to smooth it out. Locking the head and closing the lid, you're ready to start printing. Once you've loaded the media, simply press the feed button and labels will be forwarded. If you've calibrated the label correctly, it will appear on the tear-off position on each gap. And you're ready to start printing.